Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at Owl HQ. In this video, we're going to take a look at a Windows feature called Jump Lists. A jump list is a menu that appears when you right-click on a program in your taskbar, and it's used to provide quick access to recently used documents or frequently used documents. For example, when I right-click on the Excel icon in my taskbar, it shows me two spreadsheets that I recently looked at, and if I left-click on one of them, it will open. The same thing happens with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Notepad, and even Spotify, which shows me some playlists and podcasts that I recently listened to. In order to use jump lists, you do need to make sure the feature is enabled. So open up the Windows settings, go to Personalization, and then Start. And make sure that Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer is toggled on. For Windows 10 users, the option will most likely say something like Show Recently Opened Items and Jump Lists on Start or the taskbar and in File Explorer Quick Access. Jump Lists show you the 10 most recently opened documents for that specific program. But the cool thing about jump lists is that you can pin documents to the top of the jump list, so they'll stay there no matter how many other documents you open. This can be really useful when there are certain documents you're working on frequently, like a board report or a grant application. There's no need to click through layers of folders to find and open your documents, just pin them to your jump list. To pin a specific document to the jump list, hover your mouse over the document name in the jump list and a pin icon will appear. And then just left-click that pin icon and the document will pin itself to the top of the jump list. You can also remove documents from the jump list by right-clicking on them and then left-clicking Remove from this list. The document won't be deleted, it will just be removed from the jump list. And that is it for this video on jump lists. I hope it's been helpful and thank you for watching.